Go.
Welcome to Christ Redeemer Church. We are interviewing great influential people the Lord has used over the years. This morning we have a new guest this morning. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I'm Eric Mason,
Eric Mason. Nice to meet you this morning. Now, where were you born?
Washington, D.C.
Washington, D.C. Okay. Tell us something about yourself.
So I write books. I make over manhood books. Manhood stories.
Read number 3.
And Christ has allowed me to serve in multiple ministries roles over the past 19 years.
Oh, wow. You've been serving faithfully over 19 years, preaching expositionally. And thank you for what you're doing. Have you written any books?
Yeah, I'm an author of Manhood Restored and Unreleased, Calvary Restored. So.
Oh, wow. Manhood Restored. That's a great man. Actually, we use that book here at our manhood study. We got a brother here named Jerry Pitts. He has to lead in that study in the past. Manhood, the book Manhood book. What does it mean to be whole in Christ? And so, Eric Mason, thank you for coming today. It's a pleasure.